think Marilyn makes it look easy. Goes.
Babe, what are we gonna do now?
Let's go fishing.
Aww. Is this a good spot?
Texas is the best spot. You get some good fish around here. I caught something. I think it's a new species. No fishing license needed here. Come to Texas. Catch some great fish. Love is what I got. I said look for that. Love is what when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Wish we could turn back time.
They cut off my legs now. I'm an amputee. Gosh darn it. What are we gonna do now?
I had a dream we were fishing and singing, but I want to build a flower garden. Alright, so alongside our back fence, we built this flower garden. It's going to hold a lot of flowers here. Okay, and then back here, behind the benches, continuing from over there, it's going to have more dirt, and now I need to put some dirt in these empty spots so we can have lots. Hey folks, so now that we caught that amazing fish, here's how to prepare it. Once you chop it up, you add some bread, milk, spices and seasoning, a little bit of parsley, and mix it all in and make patties. Mix it good, mix it up. I'm going to use up all 1.5 pounds of meat to about, keep mixing. It's about 2 slices of bread, and then I can tell you the spices, but that's the secret. And then keep mixing that 1.5 pounds. Alright, so keep mixing it. The next thing we're going to show you is how to make patties.
That was when I kissed her, and then she made my lips hurt. I could hear the ching.
Alright, so now you just grab a good ball and you smush it down in your hand. Make it round. Make sure you wash your hands too. Then make a thinner inside on both ends and plop it on the plate. So you're sort of flattening it out, and then kind of like making a donut, but you're not poking a hole through. Okay? You want to so flatten it out, poke it in the center, and plop it on your plate. Get a good scoop, popping it out, thin it in the middle, plop it on your plate. And this was 1.5 pounds of meat. Making 5 burgers. You make them big. Okay, so we're gonna grill the burgers. Make sure your barbecue is clean and preheated. It's almost ready. It's not focusing, but okay, grill's ready. And now you're just going to put it in the grill, close it up, and flip them every 5 minutes. Now, when they get like this, you want to flip them Okay, and don't squeeze them. That juice inside, you want that staying in there. All right, they're done. Now, just plop them on your plate. Delicious burgers. Now, they're done to look like that. You got to get your condiments, cheese, lettuce, tomato, and your buns. Got to have those.
Yes. You're a joke.
Yeah, you're going to tell me a joke? Good.
Okay.
That's what it looks like.
I'm Idaho.
The juices are so delicious. Now you want to squeeze them.
One more thing. You got to wash it down with a good beer. This one is ginger beer and vodka and ice. Delicious.